Hello everyone and welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Ignore all of this. We got the bedhead rolling this morning, but I am in such a rush, you guys, to try to get ready now. It's almost noon and today is a very exciting day because today we are going to Disneyland. Me, Tara, Brendan, and Andrew. It's going to be so much fun. I am so freaking excited. So my Uber is gonna be here in like 15-ish minutes. That is not enough time. Not enough time. I'm very stressed. Hopefully I'll be able to get my ish together before then. I just have no idea what I'm gonna wear, what bag I'm gonna bring. I just have I got stuff to figure out, you know, man. I also have this very annoying zit right next to my mouth, which is the worst place to have a zit. And it just won't go away and it won't get covered up the way that I want it to. It's really testing my patience here. All right, I need to hurry and get my ish together. I'll see you guys later. In almost 2 years. Oh, I'm so happy to be here. I can't even tell you.
I really can't believe we're here. You know what? I think it's gonna hit me when we see this castle.
I know. I'm so excited to see the castle.
Freaking out.
Okay, we have to go this way. We can't take the tram right now. You have to walk there. So we have to go in, see I don't know what's going on with how you get into Disney now, but we're gonna find out. And then we're gonna walk to Disney, and then we're gonna get some food because we haven't eaten yet.
Okay.
So, okay. Yeah, you have that right there. Yeah. We're in. We made it.
Does everyone want their ticket?
Yes.
For you.
Thank you. Ugh. Is this some Avengers bullshit on my Disney ticket? This is...
This ain't no
what
Disney.
So cute.
There's one float.
Oh, wow.
There's Goofy.
Yay! We're back. We made it. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. I can't believe we made it, guys.
I love this arcade. It's so cute.
I know, it's so cute. So many cute places. Look at the castle. It looks beautiful. I'm so happy to be looking at the castle. Me too. Oh, I love it. Let's go.
You know, Phil Collins recorded all his songs in different languages for film.
No way. That's cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Where's the girl though?
Wow. Ooh, that's ASMR.
What does this even do?
Who knows?
Rain sticks, man. Oh, rain sticks.
Tara, stick your hand in here. Just stick it in.
I'm scared.
There's nothing. There's a little frog in there.
Oh, I see the frog.
Yeah.
I see the frog.
Right?
Hello. Wait, go to the other side.
Oh, that sounds fun. I have to get down really low. Hello, it's me. Gonna hit Pirates first. Very excited. It has the shortest wait that we've seen so far, so had to be done. I'm very excited.
Me too.
It's gonna be so fun. Our first ride. I love it.
I can't believe we have a first ride so quickly.
I know, it's amazing.
Inside the boat and watch the children.
I can't believe we're here.
Yay.
I really can't believe it.
Oh no. It's so dark. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Davy Jones. It's the run.
Hey, boys, be sure to stay seated with your hands.
Can't believe we're literally just walking onto the ride right now. This never happens.
We're getting lucky today.
Right? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
About first, so now whoever's out next is for me.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Boys and the girls.
Of course, we would have the same thing both times.
Of course.
Practicing red terror. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows.
And no doors. They're so trippy. Thank you. Oh, look at the sun glare. There we go. Okay, heading into Star Wars Land now. I've only been here once. How about you?
I think a couple times, 2, 3.
Yeah, I've only been at Star Wars Land one time.
I've only been here once.
And it's awesome. It is really good.
Even
Even
an Instagram story.
I know.
That's when you know. Wait till you see
That's when you know.
this fountain thing.
Yeah, this is just the
Millennium Falcon.
This is the egg.
So excited.
We have to walk through here because that's like the cool market area. Never seen Andrew smile so much ever.
This is carefully and remember.
What color flag credential do we have?
Red.
Wait on your right hand side, right this way.
Thank you.
Good luck to you all. You might need it.
Safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor,
Thank you.
permanezca sentado.
Oh my god.
I was just
Oh my god.
Going back on the seat to fly up and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Oh no! No!
Flight engineers.
Yes, get him! Get him! Get him!
The Star Destroyer is collapsing.
No, go!
Left pilot, hit the boosters.
I'm lifting! I'm lifting! I'm lifting! Oh my god!
One or two blue?
One.
One blue.
One blue.
Alright, 2 waters, 1 blue, 1721.
Andrew's going first.
It's like snotty.
What? Snotty? That's a weird way to describe it.
Let's see. Right?
I hate it.
Why do people like this?
I hate it. You like it? We hate it.
You didn't
So,
see our reactions beforehand.
so are you.
Why, do you want the rest of it?
Well, we're not gonna have it, so.
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Ugh.
Have some water. I like it.
Ugh. I do not like it.
It's really thick.
Hold. We've tracked an unauthorized connection to this data pad.
Oh
Sent
no!
to civilian channels. Civilian, you seem very interested in that data pad. We'd like to know what you're doing with it.
We're watching you.
We're vlogging.
That does sound important. Offer you one of our restricted frequencies for emergency use only, but you're already on it. Stick to civilian channels.
Will do.
On your way.
Thank you.
The First Order will be watching you.
Okay. Okay, good luck. Let's see it.
Wait, I'm gonna try doing it.
Okay. I've been training for so long for this. You've got this, Tara. You're the one. You are the one and only. Yeah, respect the sword. Why don't you two go together and we'll go together? There we go. Aha, love it. On our way to Buzz Lightyear right now for a little healthy competition. Are you going?
Unhealthy.
No, it's going to be very chill.
Highly
we do not
competitive.
care at all about winning.
Oh,
Right? No, no.
oh God.
Oh, here we go.
All right, Jilly. Me and
I'm
you.
excited. Okay, here I go. I'm catching up, Brandy.
What?
330,000. I was L3. I was only a planetary pilot.
What was your
L3.
I got down there too.
Oh, I love it. I got like 40, 35,000, 40,000, I don't know, something like that. Oh, there's me and Brendy. Look at this.
These are the most terrible photos ever. It was like ghouls.
It's hilarious. I love it. We found a pretty good spot with a view of the castle for the fireworks, and I'm so excited.
And a view
I have,
of us.
Yes.
The best view of all.
I have never seen the fireworks at Disneyland before, so I'm very intrigued to see what it will be like. I'm so
You've never seen
excited.
the fireworks before?
Not here. I've seen them at Disney World.
I never like sat and watched them.
Yeah. I've seen them like from Space Mountain and stuff like that, but I'm so excited.
Never sat and
It's gonna be
watched.
great.
Until the lights
Happening.
return to
It's
normal.
starting.
Thank you.
And I'm so excited. Oh my god. Wow. What a race. I wanna be like you. I wanna walk like you. Talk like you. Like you. Dance, everybody. Hold everybody. Okay, we're rushing to Indiana Jones for one last ride of the night. Wow, this is
free light.
some interesting lighting. I love
It's a
it.
beautiful lightsaber.
Yes, thank you so much. I'll take
lightsaber. What is that?
lightsaber.
Not safer.
Yeah, saber.
I like the lifesaver.
You're thinking of the
The
candy.
lifesaver
I love the
delicious.
candy,
is-
yeah.
I mean, it's so good. Anyway, we watched the fireworks. Very underwhelmed.
Yeah.
Didn't love. Would not recommend. Not worth your time. I'm confused, honestly, because Disney World's fireworks are like my favorite
Insane,
thing there.
like cry-worthy,
It's so
and
good.
beautiful, magical, everything that you imagine Disney to
This
be.
whole show was like pop music, EDM, dubstep vibes.
I really didn't like it actually.
I was not a fan.
I like fireworks, so it's never, like a fail.
Yeah, it was fine.
But it was, I will
Even
never
like
do it
there was
again.
no like grand finale or anything.
No, even the fireworks were not that impressive.
No, it was not. It was not it. But that's okay. You live and you learn. Now we know we don't need to watch the fireworks.
We
at
had to
Disneyland.
try. We had to try.
Yes, we did.
The temple of
solo from bed. I don't even know the last clip that I took. But I am back home now and very happy to be in bed. There is nothing more exhausting than Disney Day, but that was so fun. Oh my gosh, I miss when that was just like regular life. Hi, cutie. You coming to hang out with me? I love you. I love you so much. Oh man, what a life it was today. It was very, very, very fun. But it is now midnight, which is basically past my bedtime. All I've eaten was that Mexican food earlier today. Did I even vlog that? I think I did. Today was such a blur. Even though it was like not the longest day, it felt really long. I guess like I woke up and like immediately started working. It was like, it has been a long day. Since I've only eaten that Mexican food, I am gonna have one of these like Trader Joe's instant ramen things. They're basically like cup of noodles, but Trader Joe's style, and this one is spicy. It's so good. They're better than cup of noodles, but basically the same. So I'm gonna have that and lay in bed, probably just like put something on the TV and fall asleep to it. But thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed a Disney vlog. It has been way too long since there was a Disney vlog up, so very excited that it is here. We'll see you guys in my next one. I have no idea what day this is going up. I think Monday. So happy Monday. And I will see you on Wednesday. Love you guys.